Hello everyone. Have you ever tried studying for an exam while texting a friend and listening to music? Or perhaps you've been in a meeting while checking your emails and planning your next task. Multitasking is a common part of our lives, but is it really effective? Today, we're going to explore the concept of multitasking in different settings: academic, workplace, and personal. We will learn the benefits and drawbacks and discuss strategies to manage multiple tasks effectively. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the concept of multitasking and its impact, identify the challenges and benefits of multitasking in academic, workplace, and personal settings, apply strategies to manage multiple tasks more effectively in these areas. In academic settings, students often tackle various tasks such as attending lectures, completing assignments, studying for exams, and participating in extracurricular activities. While multitasking might seem necessary, it can hinder learning and retention. Challenges: reduced focus. Switching between tasks can break concentration and make it difficult to absorb information. Increased stress. Constantly shifting attention can lead to feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. A student named Lisa tried to write an essay while watching a lecture online. She found herself pausing the video frequently and taking longer to complete both tasks. Eventually, she realized that focusing on one task at a time improved her efficiency and understanding. Benefits: time management. Multitasking can help manage time if tasks are complementary. For example, listening to an educational podcast while commuting. In the workplace, employees often handle multiple responsibilities, such as attending meetings and responding to emails. Effective multitasking can enhance productivity, but it requires careful management. Challenges: decreased quality. Rapidly switching between tasks can lead to mistakes and lower quality of work. Burnout. Constant multitasking can lead to mental exhaustion and burnout. An employee who tries to respond to emails during a meeting might miss important details discussed, leading to misunderstandings and errors in work. Benefits: efficiency. When managed well, multitasking can help meet deadlines and handle urgent tasks promptly. In our personal lives, multitasking can involve managing household chores and pursuing hobbies. While it can be helpful, it is essential to balance it to avoid stress. Challenges: reduced enjoyment. Multitasking can diminish the enjoyment of personal activities as attention is divided. Relationship strain. Constant multitasking can lead to neglecting relationships and missing out on quality time with loved ones. John, a father of two, often found himself checking emails while spending time with his kids. He realized that his divided attention affected his relationship with them. Setting boundaries for work and family time, he was able to be more present and enjoy his personal life more. Benefits: task completion. Multitasking can help complete routine tasks more quickly, freeing up time for relaxation and leisure. Use technology wisely. Utilize apps and tools that can help manage tasks and minimize distractions. However, avoid over-reliance on technology that can lead to constant interruptions. Use project management tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of tasks and deadlines without cluttering your mind with too many details. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness techniques to stay present and reduce the stress of multitasking. Taking short breaks to reset can enhance focus and productivity. Practice deep breathing exercises or short meditation sessions during breaks to clear your mind and regain focus. Now here's what I want you to do. Write a 500-word paper summarizing your multitasking simulation and role-playing experiences. Write which strategies were most effective and how you plan to apply them in the future. I appreciate your time and engagement today. While multitasking can seem necessary, managing it effectively is key to maintaining productivity and reducing stress. Have a productive and insightful week.